Hello and welcome to the Budget Timekeeper. And today I wanted to show you the custom HMT Kohinoor from Vimal Sharma. So I had ordered this towards the end of last year, towards the end of December, and I got it. When did I get it? I think just before the New Year's. So yeah, I've had this for about a week or so, and I've tested this, used this for a bit, and yeah, I'm very impressed by the overall result. So basically, a few of you have been asking where they can get some aftermarket custom modded HMTs for a reasonable price. You may see a lot of people asking for a lot of money. This one here, everything, all the costs included, including shipping and everything, cost me 1600. That's it. It's brand new, as in the movement is refurbished, serviced, and the case, dial, hands, bracelet, these are all new aftermarket parts. But overall, the result is very impressive. The first thing I noticed while winding was this winding movement was the smoothest of all the HMTs. Very, very good. Some differences from the other ones, but one of my main issues with all the HMTs is that the crown feels too small. Maybe my fingers are too fat or something. But I've always felt like this could be a little bigger and maybe easier to wind, but this one felt very comfortable to do that. Now, the way this works is I'll give you the breakdown, then at the end of the video, I'll give you his contact details. Watch and More India also has put the information out there. We both got the watch from Vimal Sharma, and I know a few other people who have. So, very reliable watchmaker, and I've been very impressed by the service so far, especially for the price. So the way it works is you get in touch with him via WhatsApp. You tell him that you are interested in a watch, and yeah, he'll show you the dials that he has available. They get new stock every now and then. I think he does a few models, Kohinoor Pilot, and maybe a few others, but I'm aware of Kohinoor is like the main one I wanted. So he'll show you a selection of dials, and I picked this one. This is called the Drunken dial. So the numbers seem to be like in a weird pattern, and so this one is called the Drunken dial. Now they come in different colors. I went with this silver brushed look. Basically, I think it looks fantastic, especially with the matching, well, not the matching, but the contrasting gold hands. So I got this one. I said I wanted a transparent case back, so he said okay, we can do that. As you can see, movement, you can see through this here. This is like part of the charm for mechanical watches, where you can actually see the movement through the exhibition case back. Then after you pick the dial and everything, he'll ask you to pay. And for the just the watch without the strap, it cost me 1150. So you make the payment. He'll give you his payment details. Once he receives the payment, it'll take a few days to put your watch together. So once the watch is assembled, you'll get a he'll give you a message. He'll show you the pictures and a video to make sure you're happy with what has been done. And once you're happy, then he'll show you the strap options and the delivery options. Now you can pick a leather strap, you can pick different style of bracelets. This was, I think, the most expensive one at 250. So you can actually get this assembled for much cheaper. So I picked this one because this matches the HMTs I've seen. So this was 250. And then the delivery options, he asked me where I lived. I told him I'm in Bangalore. He's in Bikaner in Rajasthan. So he said 100 for India Post, Speed Post, and 200 for the courier DTDC. So I said I will go with the courier because it's just faster. So yeah, you can save a little bit more, like another 200 or so, by choosing like the different postage or the different style of strap, or if you have your own strap or bracelet, you can just skip that altogether. So yeah, and he just posted it and sent me a tracking number, and within 3 days I had the watch with me. And yeah, I used it for a few days, and yeah, the best thing about this, power reserve. Now HMTs normally we expect around 30 to 40. So anything over 30 is considered good. The other watches I've seen, I've been getting 32, 33, that sort of range. This one, 41 hours, more than 41 actually. So that was surprising because I guess this has been recently serviced. And yeah, overall very impressed. The look, as you can see, it's got that brushed look to it. It just looks very clean. Only thing that could have been more fun is if there was an option for a gold crown. That would look really good. And the dial itself, I went with this drunken dial because I don't like the ones with the loom. The loom positions are not ideal in a lot of the aftermarket watches. They are getting better, but they haven't reached a point where I'm satisfied. So I said, okay, let's just skip all of that and just go with this one. No loom to worry about. And yeah, overall, I think very nice, clean look. The made in India 0231 at the bottom, I think the text could be a little smaller. I would prefer that, but it's not too bad. Some of them, the aftermarket does, they seem to have the text a bit too big, in my opinion. So yeah, all you need to do is just contact him. You can use his number and send him a message. You can tell that you heard from me, or like, you found the number on the Facebook group. That's where I found it. And yeah, tell him that you are interested in a watch, and then you can get in touch and he'll give you all the options that are available. He'll show you the individual dials so you can pick one and decide if it's good. Just make sure to look at the details, especially the ones with the loom. Make sure the loom is aligned properly. There are no marks and stuff on the dial. So once you pick one, then it's just smooth sailing. And yeah, for 1600, it could be from 14 to 1600 depending on a few of the things that you want. Fantastic watch. Amazing. I've seen aftermarket sellers charge a lot more, like 3, 4 thousand for something similar. And in terms of quality, this is fantastic. If you want a fun custom watch made to your specifications, made to your likings, then this is ideal. I think the service is fantastic. I'll probably try and get another one. And this would be really fun to get as gifts for your friends or family. I think they also do a pilot, so I'll look at getting one of those as well, because the pilots from the website are too expensive. The quality isn't great, and people are charging 10, 12 in like the Facebook group. So I don't want to spend that much. Around 2000 is like a good price for a aftermarket customized watch like this. So very happy with this one. I'll just show you a few comparisons. So the other HMT Kohinoor that I have a look at this. Very similar looking. I guess you could say, let's see here. I still like this one more. This one feels more premium. Like when I set the time or something, I can feel like it is a bit better built. But this is surprisingly good. Like I said, the winding itself is the best out of all the HMTs I have. And you can see very similar case. Of course, this one has the transparent case back or the exhibition case back. This one doesn't. So yeah, there you can even see the bracelet is identical. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this. If you want one of your own, get in touch. Let me know what you find interesting. And yeah, share with me your watches on my Facebook group if you are interested. If you do end up getting one, I want to know what sort of dials people are going for. Initially, I was thinking of getting the normal yellow dial because that looked amazing and I did not have a yellow dial watch. But after looking at a few options, I thought the drunken dials looked better, just more cleaner, if that makes sense. So this is like a gold, this is silver. I've got like both covered in my opinion. And yeah, I would like to get maybe a green or a blue pilot next, as far as these custom ones are concerned. Anyway, hopefully this was useful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.